question.
I'm not answering any more of your questions. Turn yourself in to the Wayne County Jail today.
We're in Detroit, Michigan for a plea hearing. 57-year-old James Garner's facing several driving with a suspended license charges, plus driving without insurance and other traffic violations. Today, Garner appears before Judge Sean Perkins to discuss if he'll go to trial or take a possible plea offer.
Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris on behalf of Mr. Garner. Mr. Garner, please state your name for the record.
First off, I do have a couple.
You got to state your name first. You got to state your name first.
No, I think Mr. Garner is going to represent himself. Am I correct, Mr. Garner?
I'm representing myself in what? I mean, I'm confused about what's actually going on. First off, who's alleging these charges? That's what I'm curious about.
State of Michigan, City of Detroit.
Okay, well, if that's the case, there's a common law principle which states that for there to be a crime, there must be a victim. Corpus delicti. The state cannot be the injured party. And in the absence of a victim, there can be no crime.
Garner seems to be using a sovereign citizen argument.
How do you want to proceed, Mr. Garner?
Well, the court haven't even established jurisdiction. I mean, the jurisdiction has to be established first. Once jurisdiction is challenged, that must be settled before charges can be brought.
All right, do you want to put that in a motion, sir?
As far as I'm concerned, any and all charges must be dismissed because there is no complaining witness.
If that's your motion, I'm going to deny the motion, okay? So, we're not going to keep going back and forth.
Respectfully, in order for this to continue, the state cannot be a complaining witness. The law states there must be a victim. I'm just requesting, who is the victim?
The citizens of the City of Detroit and the State of Michigan are the victims.
The state cannot be a victim.
I said the citizens of the City of Detroit and the State of Michigan are the victims.
If that's the case,
Mr. Garner, can we just go into a breakout room and then maybe I can give you a little bit of advice to assist you with moving forward?
Sure.
After speaking with the public defender, Garner returns to the hearing.
What do you want to do, Mr. Garner? Do you want a trial date or you want an offer? Those are really your only two options.
Okay, since we are on the record, all I'm asking for.
Okay, one last time. Now listen. Here's how it's going to go from this point on. If you don't answer the question that I asked specifically, then I'm going to hold you in contempt of court.
So you're telling me,
Mr. Garner, we're not going to have a conversation. Stop, sir. Now, that's the last time I'm going to ask you to.
On the law. Is that what I'm hearing?
I'm going to hold Mr. Garner in contempt of court. He is directly violating the court's order. I've asked him repeatedly to not interfere or add any extra commentary to this case. I've given him ample time to answer the court's question, and he continues to refuse to do so. So now I'm going to hold you in contempt, and I'm going to sentence you to 30 days Wayne County Jail. No early release.
Garner refuses to go quietly.
So I have a question.
I'm not answering any more of your questions. Turn yourself in to the Wayne County Jail today.
So the court is going to be in direct violation of my rights in the law. Is that where we're standing?
If that's how you feel. Have a good day, sir.
Garner failed to report to the county jail, and the judge issued a bench warrant for his arrest. The case is pending.